Hey guys, this is Suman from Suman Knowledge Hub. Today we're going to learn about what is affect and what is effect. These two words usually being confused sometimes. So affect is a verb which means have an influence. For example, the weather affects my mood. But when we say effect used as a noun, which is the consequences of an influence. For example, eating good vegetables will have good effect on your health. But sometimes effect can be used as a verb also, which means something had to happen, like the policies came into effect from the next month. So these are the two words. I hope you can understand the differences between two words, affect and effect.